Good morning, students. Today we will discuss an important formulas in trigonometry. We draw a right angle triangle. This is angle theta. This is 90 degree. Based on this right angle triangle, we can write one formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then second formula, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Another formula, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. The third formula, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Then we can also knowing some general values of particular angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We can evaluate the values sine, then cos, then tan. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 degree, that is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2. Sine 90, that is equal to 1. Then in the case of cos, we just reversing the order. First we write 1 here, then we write root 3 by 2, then we write 1 by root 2, then we write 1 by 2, that is 0. By knowing the values of sine, we just reversing, we get the values of cosine. Then to find the value of tan, sine by cos, then first value will be 0 by 1, 0. Then 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, the value will be 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, the value will be 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is equal to root 3. 1 by 0, undefined. These are the some important values of sine, cos, tan. Then, next you have to understand an important rule in trigonometry. An important rule in trigonometry. That is known as ASTC rule. ASTC rule. Write the quadrants. This is x-axis, y-axis, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. The first quadrant, the angle will be 90 degree. The second quadrant, 180, then 270, then 360. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. All trigonometric ratios will be positive. Therefore, we represent it as all. In second quadrant, sine and cosec. Sine and cosec will be positive. They represent S. Here A. In third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive. Tan and cot will be positive. Therefore, we put it as T. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec will be positive. Cos and sec. Therefore, we put it as C. Therefore, we take one abbreviation, that is ASTC rule. This rule is known as ASTC rule. The ASTC rules mention that the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios will be positive. In the second quadrant, and this is second quadrant, sine and cosec will be positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec will be positive. This rule is known as ASTC rule. Based on this AST's rule, we can find some larger angles. For example, tan 225 degree. We have to evaluate tan 225 degree. For that, we take tan into 2 into pi by 2 plus 45 degree. Tan 225 degree can be written as tan 225 degree can be written as tan 2 into pi by 2 plus 45 degree. Here pi by 2, 90 degrees multiplied by an even number. Since pi by 2 is multiplied by even number, tan never will change. The answer will be tan 45. There will be no change. Tan will be tan itself. But sine 2 into pi by 2 plus 45. This is 225 degree. This is 225 degree. Come in the third quadrant. Third quadrant tan positive. Therefore plus 45. Therefore the answer will be plus 1. We calculated the larger value 225 with the help of ASTC rule. We can another problem, that is cos 330 degree. Cos 330 degree. This can be written as cos into 3 into pi by 2 plus 60 degree. That is, here pi by 2, 90 degrees multiplied by an odd number. Multiplied by an odd number. When pi by 2 is multiplied by an odd number, cos changes to sine. Here, sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. Then we have to check the sine. 330 degree comes in the fourth quadrant. 330 degree comes in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, fourth quadrant by AST's rule says that fourth quadrant cos will be positive. Therefore, plus. Therefore, the answer will be sine 60 degree. That is equal to plus root 3 by 2. Then we can also vary another value, that is sine 240 degree. Sine 240 degree. That is sine 2 into pi by 2 plus 60 degree. Here pi by 2 is multiplied by even number. Pi by 2 is multiplied by even number. There will be no change. This will be sine 60 degree. But 240 degree comes in the third quadrant. Third quadrant tan and cot will be positive. Therefore, it will be negative minus sine 60 degree. Therefore, the answer will be minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, we can find larger values, larger angles with the help of AST's rule. With the help of AST's rule. Note the point, when we multiply pi by 2 with even number, tan will not be changed. Tan will be tan itself. When it is multiplied by odd number, tan will be cot. Sine will be cos. Cos will be sine. Even number, no change. Odd number, tan will be cot. Cot will be tan. Cos will be sine. Sine will be cos. Sec will be cosec. Cosec will be sec. This is the important point you just notice. Okay.